In this demo we will see how to manage inventory for your processing service business. All detailed invoices will be done in Sales Services panel, but if your business need to record inventory of customers who sent you good or items to process, then you need to add them in Purchases section. Let customer name Agro Farmer 1 given you 30 kilograms banana to process and 3,000 kilograms groundnuts to different process. As you enter these entries, stock of 30 kilograms banana and 3,000 kilograms groundnuts will be added in inventory. Let another customer of Agro Farmer 2 gives you 200 kilograms groundnuts and 200 kilograms peanuts to process. Add the purchase entries to add them in software inventory to calculate. In Stock menu, select Accounts tab, select the customer or client name and click to calculate. This will show you how much inventory your clients have given in Purchase column and total amount we have in Stock column. If you processed and given back the inventory to customer, then you should add sales entry with that customer name, which balances the inventory you still have for records. We added peanut sales entry of 3,000 kilograms, but Agro Farmer 1 haven't given you peanuts. When you see Stock by Account tab, you will find stock showing negative amount of 3,000, because software didn't found any purchase in entry. So this software protects you from any mistakes. Even after any mistake done by you, it will detect it and help you to fix it. This prevents all kinds of mismanagement of your inventory. Every purchase entry should be added as anyone give you items in your storage, and every sales entry should be added if you given back the items from your inventory or storage to maintain balance. To delete entry, press Delete button and Shift button together. We are adding groundnut entry to show no inventory left in our storage with customer 1 named. As we see in Stock by Account tab, Agro Farmer 1 has final 0 stock. Shows there is nothing to give him back from our storage. For Agro Farmer 2 we haven't added any sales entry, so it's showing final stock of 200 that we still have in our storage facility. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.